Welcome to our channel. This is Abacus Child Learning Application. Hello friends, in previous video we learned about 2-digit number. In this video we learn about 3-digit of number. Let's see some basic tips of 3-digit of number. 3 columns can represent value of 0 to 999. When you start, all of the bit should be up in the top row and down in the bottom row. The third farthest column on the right would be the hundreds place. On third rod, the upper bit indicate value of 500 and the bottom bit indicate value of 100. Abacus with more column does not change the structure and method shown here. The n column means n digit. Maximum can be calculated. That means if there is 5 column, then maximum 5 digits can be calculated. Let's see some example of 3-digit of number. Here we have example of number 100. So let's set 100. For 100, move one bit to upward from bottom on third rod. That's it. Before go to next example, we have to reset Abacus. For reset to Abacus, we have to press top right button. Reset to continue. Let's set 300. For 300, move 3 bits to upward from bottom on third rod. That's it. We are done. Reset to continue. Let's see some more example of rod 1, rod 2 and rod 3. Let's set 236. For 236, move one bit to upward from bottom on first rod. Now move top bit to downward on first rod. Now we are moving 3 bits to upward from bottom on second rod. Now move 2 bits to upward from bottom on third rod. Reset to continue. Here we have some more examples. So let's set 960. For 960, last digit was 0. So we didn't move any bits on first rod. Now move one bit to upward from bottom on second rod. Move top bit to downward on second rod. Now move 4 bits to upward from bottom on third rod. And now move top bit to downward on third rod. We are done. Reset to continue. For reset to Abacus, we have to press top right button. Now let's set 514. For 514, move 4 bits to upward from bottom on first rod. Move 1 bit to upward from bottom on second rod. And finally we are moving top bit to downward on third rod. We are done. Thank you for watching the video. In next video, we will start learning about addition. For practice of Abacus, download the application from Google Play Store. Link is available in description. Subscribe the channel to get alert for upcoming video. Thank you.